Hello guys, it's me Ramay. So I'm waiting for the Hanbat bus. I'm going to have a dinner in Hanbat National University with some kimchi, rice and fish. So I'm just waiting for the Hanbat bus which is free. This is just like a road on Daejeon. Personally I like Daejeon street, but Seoul have more like variety on their street, on their road. Seoul is like more like, how to say, like your typical downtown, where Daejeon is a little bit silent. So this is your typical Daejeon city. Don't get me wrong, Daejeon is a very beautiful city. I don't say something about Seoul I really love. So let's meet at a restaurant. I am already at the Hanbat University. So the time is like 7 p.m. I think so 7:30 p.m. they close the restaurant for the dinner serving. There's a Pacific time. I think I'm going to take some seafood. So as you can see, this is the university and that was the Hanbat bus which I took. The weather is quite nice. Let me be honest with you, the weather is quite nice. I don't like snowing weather. Walking on a snow is like walking on a hell, to be honest with you. I fall down a lot. It's impossible to walk, and then you need like special shoes, snow shoes or the waterproof shoes with snow chain under it, so it will be like anti-slippery shoes, and then it will protect, because when snow fall down it melt and it become like water. If you're wearing regular shoes, the water will go inside your shoes, and then oh no, in cold, super cold weather, walking with a wet shoes is like horrible. So this is the Hanbat National University. So I come from here, and then let me go to the restaurant. To be honest with you, I'm really feeling very hungry. The good thing about Korea is their food. Yes, the food is a little bit expensive compared to other countries, but again, if you come like 10 years ago in Korea, the food was super cheap. Now Korean living standard is increased day by day. Their salary increase, and then the prices for the everyday daily meal also had been increased. Due to that, we need to accept that. If you just want a rice without anything, 700 won for a rice. You can just buy rice and then eat it with kimchi, because kimchi is a side dish which is free. You don't need to pay for it. Normally when I used to study in the Hanbat University, I just used to eat with, I just buy a 700 won rice, which is like less than $100, and I eat it with kimchi. So now we are entering the university. Let me go down to the ground floor for the restaurant. To be honest with you, I'm really enjoying coming back to university. I really like this university. At the end road, it's a quite nice university. So let's see, is there anything left, because like 7 already. We need to see. So this is the restaurant, and then let me see what we can eat. Let me show you the side dishes first. These are the side dishes. Especially if you buy rice, you can get kimchi or this one for free. So these are the side dishes. So the dinner is finished. They only have rice, and then let's see where I can have my dinner. It's a quite sad day. The dinner is finished at 7 p.m. It's finished every day. Let's see now what to eat and what to do. Hello guys, it's me Ramay. I'm having a bogum pop at one of a very beautiful restaurant. 1,500 for a bogum pop and 500 won for this drink. Total 2,001. So here's a receipt. I'm just waiting for my order. Really don't know what it is. Let's find out. This is the bogum pop which I'm going to eat, and let's find out how is the taste. Let's see how is the taste. It's delicious, to be honest with you. It's delicious. This is one of the best restaurant I opened for 1,500. You can't find anything better than this one. Make sure to subscribe. Check my other videos.